Hello, my name is Hilda Sana, and at this point in time, I'm at the rehab center called Cold Springs Hills, and I was brought here as an evacuee from Sandy. I thought I was going to some horrible place with four in a room and all crowded, and I was so disappointed. I didn't know what was happening to me. But when I arrived, they said, "Hilda, this is your room." Well, I was in shock because the room was lovely, one room situation with one bed and a bathroom attached that was all mine. And it was lovely. And everybody treated me so well. That was another shock. Because you don't know what to expect. They were putting people in rehab on cots somewhere in a school or whatever. And here I am in this beautiful room, and I'm happy as can be. And my kids don't understand, why am I so happy? I'm so happy because I know whatever happened to me was a horror, and my whole bottom apartment was destroyed. And I feel over is over. If I can stay in a facility like this the rest of my life, I would be perfectly happy. Okay?
So why do you like Cold Spring Hills?
Because it's very friendly, the help is lovely, and they're doing a lot for me for therapy. I understand this is one of the best places for physical therapy, and I'm happy about that too, because I need a lot of physical therapy. I came here, the truth, I couldn't walk, I couldn't stand. I was screaming in pain, and now I am standing and walking a little with a walker, with a lovely aid, and I'm not screaming in pain. And that's how happy I am here. And what else am I to say? That's it. Thank you so much for listening to me.